Hello, today we will learn how to download and install Python. So here, download Python for Windows 11. Okay, so I press enter, and here I will go on the official website of python.org. I will click here, and I can install the Python version 3.12 for Windows. I will click here, so you can see the file is going to be downloaded on my system. This is the exe file. Once it will be downloaded, then we will make the setup of Python in my system. Okay, open the file, click here, then install now. Okay, so by default but the address it is taking, you need to save here C drive. Okay, so click on install now. Yes, and now it is installing. This is the setup for the Python. In fact, exe file we need to download, and then we can make the setup on our system. This is 64-bit, and you need to look this thing that what operating system is installed in your system, and your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So you should choose according to that. Here you can see Docker images are also available here. Python for Linux, Unix, Mac operating system, other, and want to help test development versions for Python 3.13, Docker images. So we can get a lot of information from their official website python.org. So in machine learning, Python programming is important, and data mining, big data mining courses require the Python to be installed on your system. So now it is almost completed, and then it is asking you, okay, so here you can see at your terminal type py to launch Python. Okay, so we will go on the terminal and we will type the Python on, close it. Okay, so check here cmd, this is the terminal command prompt, and here just I will type py. So this is the indication that I have installed the Python version 3.12 successfully on my system. So hope you will like this video, and if you like, then please subscribe as well. Thank you.